Hey guys, let's see how to fix an Android device's low charging. Here I have my cell phone connected to the power adapter with a short cable. But when I come here to the settings, I can check how fast it's being charged. So here I can find the battery information. You see here that's going to take 2 hours and 42 minutes to fully charge the cell phone. And here I can also check this on device care. If you just come down, you have more information on device care as well. There we go. Here's the information for the battery. It's 2 hours and 42 minutes until fully charged, 35% right now. So I just come here and I see more information about the charge, right? And if I come down here on charge settings, I see that I have the options to enable fast charging. That's the problem here right now. I don't have fast charging enabled, so I can just come here, enable fast charging, and also super fast charging, and fast wireless charging. Okay, so as long as I enable this, I can just come back here and check the battery time, and I just disconnect here from the power outlet, and I just observe here it's learning. And when I come back and put one more time here, now you see that changes to 1 hour and 26 minutes, right? So now it's using the fast charging option. And something else that you can check is the power adapter that you're using right now. You see that improves here, and then it comes back to 2 hours and 41 minutes. Okay, so it's not good. So basically the phone was trying to communicate with the power adapter and see how fast it can charge, but it's not working, even if I have fast charging enabled, right? So now it's time to check here the power adapter. Let me just disconnect one more time and approach here the power adapter. And then you can check the specs, right? This one here, you see that I have the information just right here for 5 volts, 1 amp. Okay. And then I need more power for this adapter. This one is not working. Okay, I need more power for the cell phone. So this adapter is not going to work as I expect, right? So I just will replace it with another one. Let me just remove the cable from here, and I can connect a new adapter, right? I'll just show you that I have this one here, which is much better. If you take a look here, you see the information for 5 volts and 3 amps. Okay, it's going to use 5 volts for the cell phone, and 3 amps is the power, the current. Okay, 3 amps is good to go with the current. So I'll just connect this one instead. There we go. Connect here. Remember that I have more than 2 hours and 40 minutes to charge. And now let's just test with this one. So we'll just connect here and wait for it to update. You can see here now the battery is going to be charged in 44 minutes. Okay, 35% available. And remember that you have here already checked for the speed here to use the fast charging, right? Charge settings here that I have super fast charging as well. So now it looks good. I just need to wait for a while to see if it doesn't change here. It's not changing, which means it's charging pretty fast. Okay, 36% already, so it's charging. And here see that I have even an LED to indicate that the power adapter is working. Okay, so it's a pretty good power adapter. I'll leave the link here in the description, and that way you can solve the problem with your Android not charging that fast. You see here that now I have 37%, 43 minutes only. So it's charging super fast compared to the initial one with 2 hours and 40 minutes, right? So I gain at least here 2 hours of charging, right? 2 hours faster, right? So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.